There are problems and challenges everywhere, and your job as a leader is to solve those problems. Hey, if there were no problems, we wouldn't need leaders, right? Design thinking is a great approach to problem solving by making sure that we create solutions that are closely aligned to the problems, especially when the problems are less defined or they are less structured or they are like ongoing problems that haven't been solved for a long time. There's 5 steps that we can use to understand and solve problems using design thinking. The first step is empathizing, which is you put yourself in the stakeholder or the customer's shoes and you walk in their shoes for a little bit to understand the context. Where are they coming from? How are they seeing the problem? The next step is definition, which is you state the problem. You put the problem statement down and you basically look at all the different attributes of that problem, and you also start to quantify the problem. How big is this? Step 3 is to ideate. This is where you create brand new ideas. You go through brainstorming sessions as a team and you come up with ideas that could solve this problem. Then you take your best solutions that you've ideated and then you get into a prototype, which is you put together bare bones solutions, which is going to work, but it's going to help you test it out. That is this solution going to really solve the problem? And then once the prototype is ready, we test out the prototype and the prototype works. That's great. And we go and actually implement and scale that solution. Or if the prototype may need some changes, then you go back and make some changes and then test it again. Here's a very important thing. Design thinking is not a linear process. It doesn't go from 1 through 5 all the time. So these steps don't need to happen in the exact same sequence every single time. Any of these steps can lead us to more insights about other steps. For example, a prototype can help to define the problem better, or testing the solution could lead to understanding the customer and stakeholder better, or it could give us more ideas to solve those problems. That is a great way to enrich the understanding of the problem and enriching the design of the solution as well. Design thinking approach can help you understand the problem space better and define solutions that are more aligned to the problem, and it creates more sustainable solutions.